go. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Thomas, and today we are going to start an HTML5 tutorial. The first thing you'll want to do is open up a doc type. And what's good about this is really simple compared to XHTML. If you guys are familiar with XHTML, you all know that if you go to W3 school, there's a long string of things you have to type in for doc type, but this saves you a whole lot of time. This is as basic as it gets, and so yeah, it's much easier. It's much simpler. So with progressing through the tutorial, we want to open up an HTML tag, and you also want to close your HTML tag. And so basically within your HTML tags, the whole website will be built within those two HTML tags. It's a little bit different though with HTML and HTML5 or HTML5. I'm sorry. You're going to have to put in the language that you're going to be using in your browser. So we will make sure it's on the English language, obviously, because we're in America and we're using the English language. So after that, you want to open up a head tag, and also as well close the head tag. And the head obviously is, you know, the top of your website where you either have your logo or your title. But we're going to do one other thing in the head as well. We're going to put a meta tag in, and we're going to put in a char set. This is your character set that the browser is going to recognize that you are using, and you're going to equal it to UTF-8, and that's the char set that the browser is going to recognize. And this is a self-closing tag. So what you want to do is space / and bracket. So that's a one tag, and it's open and closes itself as well. And then from there, you're going to want to open up a title tag. And for the tutorial's sake, I'm just going to put the title as your first website. Oops. Website in HTML5. If I can spell it right. HTML5. And then close your title tag. And then once you're done with that, okay, we already have the head tag closed, so we don't have to worry about that. And then now come down here, and you're going to want to open a body tag. I don't know why I capitalized it, don't ask. I'm just used to it. Body tag, space. Now you're going to close the body tag, and then that should be the end of the website. We're not going to go any further than this. This is a basic skeleton for your website. So there's not going to be nothing in it. First, before I show you, I'm going to save it. So what we want to do is go to Save As, and make sure it's in your documents. Oh, by the way, I'm using Notepad++. If you guys want to go download that, just go to Google, type in Notepad++. It's an awesome thing for coding. It's an awesome tool. I love it. I know some other people use it as well. So for I'm going to name mine tutorial. It doesn't matter what you name it. You can name it whatever you want, but HTML must come at the end of it, because it's going to tell the browser that it's a HTML website that you're running. So save it,